What's up, guys? This is Josh here again from Vault Feed. So, some really exciting news just came out from Crypto.com's CRO token. I just noticed on their Reddit page just a couple minutes ago, they just posted, by the time this video is uploaded, it'll be a couple hours, but they just posted that their CRO token, they just decided to burn 70 billion tokens. Now, they had 100 billion in total that they were going to have. That was the max supply, but they have just burned 70 million. That's burning 75% of their supply, which is pretty crazy. And for token holders, that's like a really good thing because basically the less supply, it means that the token is going to be worth more. So it's kind of like, it's a pretty exciting thing for me as well. I literally just logged into my balance and noticed that it went from like 12 cents all the way to like 22, I think, or 23 cents, which is just insane. I mean, it's absolutely insane. But I actually think it could go a lot higher than that. Burning 70 billion tokens not only means a lot of good for the future of this token and its value, but I think the price target is definitely, I mean, if we were just at a valuation of what people were buying it before at the 100 billion mark, knocking off 70 billion of those leaves only 30 billion left, which is basically a 75% chop, which means we should see an increase in the token value, I would say, by 3 times. That's just my kind of my price point. So I would say, you know, going from like 14 cents, 30 cents, I would say like 45 cents would be a near-term price target. Right now it's at 22, so not a bad time to get in my opinion. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm buying more. I'm transferring some BTC into that right now. The app is a little buggy right now. It's kind of crashing because everyone's trying to buy it, I think. But this CRO token has a lot of potential because not only did they just burn a lot of tokens, which is crazy. I guess it's the biggest token burn ever that's ever happened on any crypto asset like this, and a couple people are saying they're trying to do it so they don't look like a security and they don't want to get into that type of thing. I don't know the whole backstory of that, but if you're thinking about holding CRO, this is a pretty good time, I would say, to get in, just because it just to me seemed like this is definitely going to be worth more because this is not just a 100 billion coin. That's just, there's thousands, billions of them out there. Now there's only 30 billion. That's a whole lot less. And so when you own this, there's a lot more scarcity now for this token. I mean, obviously it's not, Crypto.com is not near as big as Binance, but we saw Binance's big ramp up. Could we see something similar? Well, I mean, we're already kind of seeing that right now just because they burn so much, but I think there's actually probably a lot more potential for this to go much higher. I mean, it's only a 22 cent token now, and you look at Binance, it's in the hundreds, 270 right now it looks like. So I think, I mean, my long term, I would say that if Crypto.com continues to develop their DeFi platforms and continues to invest in this, at the rate that they are, I mean, they're advertising everywhere. It's really exciting to see what they're doing with their Indigo card as well. I'm going to include a link into the description as well if you guys want to get on board with it. I get $25 and you get $25 if you use my code, which is pretty awesome. I just got the Indiegogo card and I had to stake 50,000 CRO. So I'll show you here. So this is the card I just got, and you can see the status of that. If I go back, let's see here, track. Basically, they have to approve you, and once you get approved, once you create a stake, basically, so you stake some crypto on it, then essentially you are able to take advantage of the 3% cashback, which is awesome, and as well as that, you're going to get a staking on your stake of 10% per year APR, which is super exciting. And you get Netflix and a bunch of other refunds. So actually, like, in all honesty, this is giving me back an estimated like 20% on my 4,000 that I originally put in to get the 50,000 CRO. However, this token literally went from like 8 cents all the way to 22 in the last couple days of me owning this. So yeah, it's done really well for me, and I think it's going to go, it's going to go much higher, obviously, now that this token burn has been initiated. That's a that just happened today. So that's just hot off the press, hot off the press there. It's really exciting, and I think there's going to be a whole lot more that they're going to have in store. So yeah, crypto.com, some pretty big news for them. Definitely check out my link. I would, definitely, if you can, check it out. I think it's got some of the best benefits of almost any. They have a DeFi platform as well that has insane reward and yields on a lot of their different DeFi tokens that they have on there. So check that out as well. However, I'm using it because I want to get the card. They just said it shipped, so I'm getting excited. When I get that, I'm going to upload a video as well. I'm going to have that Indio card, and I'm going to be able to get 3% cash back, which in crypto, which is awesome. I'm going to start using it for everything. That's what I want to do now. Who needs a credit card? It's going to cost me a bunch of money when I can just get crypto back, and I get a refund on Netflix and Spotify, which is actually around $300 a year. And on that $4,000 initial investment that I staked, which is already like tripled almost, that alone, let's say it stayed at $4,000, or let's say it stays at the $4,000 you put in. If you get your Netflix and your Spotify refunded, that's 7% in a year. So you're getting back 7%. I mean, that's better than any bank will even give you. So technically, just with the benefits of the card, you're already getting better. So this card is really exciting. I'm telling all my friends to go out and check it out, because it really is. I think it could be the future, and it could, with all these features, with a domain like crypto.com, they got a long ways to go to get close to Binance, but there is a chance that they could come close to taking over a lot of the space with the exchange and with their card and with everything they're doing. So some exciting stuff. Definitely check it out. Check out my link, and definitely be watching for the CRO token, because I do think that it has the potential to go to at least, short term, 50 cents easily. But then long term, I definitely think $10 to $20 price target could be reasonable. But yeah, definitely not an investor, so don't take my advice. But this is just my own opinion, and I am currently holding CRO and buying it. This is looking very good for the future, especially with this token burn. So thanks for watching, guys, and you guys have a good week. Bye.